Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we will discuss about the DAAD-SEARCA Scholarship. This scholarship is available for Masters and PhD intending students. It's a fully funded scholarship and the deadline for this opportunity is 31st of January on the DAAD portal, and on the SEARCA portal it is 14th of Jan or 19th of January. We will apply for this scholarship and can study free in Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, and other countries as well. And we will show you how to apply for this academic exchange service and a program in the southeastern regional centers or the universities. Before we apply to this, do remember to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this DAAD-SEARCA scholarship is given in the YouTube video description below. Check out the video descriptions. Links are given there. Or you can check on the top of the description. Link is also given here on the YouTube. Similarly, once you follow us on Instagram, link is also accessible in the Instagram bio here. And you can also message us there and you can receive the link in the message as well. Now, once you click on that link, you will redirect to this website. You can check out the DAAD-SEARCA Scholarship 2024 here, and it's a funded scholarship for masters and PhD students. All the information is on our website, and the key areas that you can study, complete your research, or the master's degree is listed here. Then the eligibility criteria and basic benefits about the scholarship are mentioned here. Then the documents that are required, some basic documents like CV, your reference letters, your proof of application or the proof of degree, and the motivation letters. If you want us to write it for you, we can do it. And then brief explanation or research proposal and the passport. Simply, the application process is completely online and it's very simple. To apply for this particular scholarship, here you can see at the end, visit here to apply. Link is given here. So click on this apply now or visit here. Now, once you click on that, you can check the official SEARCA website is here and DAAD-SEARCA scholarship program is here. Now you can see if you scroll down a little bit, apply now is given here. Submission deadline for application is 12th Jan of 2024 via SEARCA portal and the 31st Jan 2024 via DAAD portal. So two portals are there, either DAAD and the SEARCA portal. So we will apply through the SEARCA itself. Now to fill the application, click on the apply now here. So once you click on that apply now, it will take you to application requirements page. You can see on the step 1 we have the DAAD-SEARCA application form to be filled online. So click on this link here. After you click on that, it will redirect you to the SEARCA scholarship page where you have to fill application for the first time users. Click if you have no account, click on the create an account and just fill the first name, last name, contact, email and password. Then retype password, enter this, agree to the terms and conditions and register. After that you will receive an email. Verify the email, come back and use the same email and the password that you created and just enter that same details and click on sign in. After you use the same details, you can see successfully submitted. To the login dashboard, you can see the application form is there and you can see the scholarship for DAAD-SEARCA scholarship as well as the PhD research scholarship. Two scholarships are there. We will apply for the DAAD-SEARCA scholarship for 2024-2025. You can see Malaysia University and other 1, 2, 3, 4 universities are there and fifth university is Philippines. So you can check 5 universities are there. To apply, click on this apply for scholarship and it will open the application form. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections to fill. Choose the degree. I'll go with the masters. You can go with the PhD as well. I wish to study in the Malaysia. I will select the Malaysia, University Putra Malaysia, and major. I'll go with the environmental engineering. And once you fill that, click on the next. Now choose the picture. I'll just submit a dummy desktop image and just use that, the basic image or our website image. The names, display names, nationality, select nationality that you have So check. Suppose I'll select the Indonesian, or if you are from Cambodia, let me select that. Enter the address and your gender, then your date of birth. These details should be as per the passport. After that, click on next. Your academic background, your school name, suppose test school. Select the country of the school. Suppose I select the Cambodia itself. Then degree. Suppose I had done BSc and the majors, environment. Okay. Year. Click on next. If you have any of the education, enter the details. If not, you can skip and click next. Publications, if you have, submit that. Click next. Relevant information like your IELTS or TOEFL, if you have, you can mention. Otherwise, you can skip and go to the next. Now upload all the mandatory documents like motivation letter. If you want us to write motivation letter for you, we can do that. You can order from our website or directly message us on Instagram. Else, upload all other documents that are mandatory and do submit the documents carefully. Do not mix the documents. I'm just submitting a random file. Choose if you want us to make a research proposal for you. We can do that for you either for masters or PhD. Even if you need the thesis, we can do that. You need the dissertation, we can do that as well. Now signature, and I am being assisted. If you are being assisted, you can take that. Else, I just instructed this and you can click on. There should be a submission. Okay, something is missing there, and let me check that what is missing. Maybe we have to fill all the details. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, we have to take this. I accept the judgment and okay. Here is I accept. That's what I was looking for. So you have to click on this terms conditions link and then click on submit the application. So before you submit, you cross check the details. I'm just submitting it for demo, but you can see success application was successfully submitted. And the university that we chose here, you can also go to directly to that website and fill the application there as well. So you can see submitted applications. I'll check here. You can see in the list submitted applications, and you can see all the details are there. I hope you have no doubts left. Similarly, if you wish to go for the other university scholarship like PhD or other universities, you can apply for scholarship, choose the application. If they allow the second application, you can submit that as well. And I hope you have no doubts left. If you still have, you can comment down below the video and we will guide you there. But before that, do remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram page and check out our website fullscholarships.net. Keep watching our videos. Have a nice day.